Hello, children. I hope all of you are doing well. Today we will be doing chapter 14 Industries of India. There are three kinds of industries. One, the cottage industry, the second one is small scale industry, and the third one is large scale industries. Cottage industries are the industries which can be done from the home where your own people does the work, and in small scale industry it is like you will have people, very less people and very simple kind of tools. And for large scale industries you have heavy machineries, modern machineries, where you will be having lots of people working for you and with lots of productions. Okay, so let us start now. Industries of India. We know that India has abundant natural resources. Nearly every product that we use in our day to day lives is made from these resources. These resources are raw materials that are used to make various products. So, from raw materials, we can use various kind of products. So, you can underline over here. Raw materials are processed into new products called finished goods. So, what is new products, finished goods, children? Raw materials which are processed to make new products are called finished goods. These goods are then purchased by people. The process of using raw materials to produce finished goods is carried out in industries. Apart from raw materials, an industry requires money or capital to buy machines and people to make products. Now, children, where will you make the finished goods? Finished goods are made in large quantities in the industries. And apart from raw material and industries, you require money and people. Money to buy the machines and people also to make the products. Okay. These goods are then purchased and then we give it in the industries, and then the raw materials is made into new finished goods. Like a log comes into the industry and then you can make a lot of furnitures, you can make tables, you can make chairs, you can make beds, all kinds of things out of that log. So you need an industry, you need machines, you need people, and you need raw material for the industries also. Okay, now the types of industries in India. Industries can be categorized into three major types on the basis of their size, the types of machines they use, and the number of people employed. These are cottage industries, small scale industries, and large scale industries. So, we can underline over here the types of the industries. These are cottage industry, small scale industry, and the large scale industry. Okay. Now, as I had told you earlier also that there are three types of industries. So, you can also underline the types of industries in India are cottage industries, small scale industries, large scale industries, and yes. Okay, so you can underline that. Now, cottage industry, children. Cottage industries are small family owned business where goods are produced using simple tools and locally available raw materials. Now you see there is a picture over here and a girl smiling with an embroidery cloth. In cottage industry it is like that you can make candles, you can somebody can make candles, then pickles are known as achars, and papads and all these kind of products are being made in cottage industries. Also saris are made in cottage industries. Okay, so we can underline cottage industries are small family owned business where goods are produced by using simple tools and locally available raw materials. In most of the cottage industries, entire family works to produce goods which are then sold in local market. Okay children, it is sold in the markets. Hand embroidery sarees and dress materials, bamboo crafts item, pottery items, food products and candles are some products of a cottage industry. Okay, these are the examples of cottage industries, what can be made. Okay. Then next is the small scale industries. Small scale industries use simple machines in factories to produce finished products on a small scale. Let us underline this. Small scale industries use simple machines in factories to produce finished products on a small scale. They do not employ too many people. Some products made in small scale industries are hosieries items, ready-made garments, plastic goods, fans, utensils and toys. Now children, I hope you are underlining where all I have underlined. Now small scale industries, they do not employ too many people. Too many people do not work in the small scale industries. Large scale industries employ hundreds of people and use big machines to produce goods on a large scale. These workers are skilled and well trained. Now in a large scale children, hundreds of workers are there, they are employed. And big machines are used to produce goods on a large scale, means lot of materials together. Okay, workers have to be skilled, otherwise they will not be able to use the machine. They have to be trained and they have to be skilled. In such industries, the supply of raw material has to be continuous. The material of the supply has to be continuous because children, because on a large scale you are manufacturing goods. Okay. The consumption of electricity is also high. Obviously, when your big machines are working, the electricity consumption is also high. A good communication system is required to manufacture goods are transported to different parts of the country. Now, a good communication system is required as the manufactured goods are transported to different parts of the country. When a person is making a lot of things, suppose cycle is made at a large scale, so he or she has to distribute his cycle, his brand to a lot of country. So if it is done, maybe it is done through trains, like goods are going in a train or a truck. So transport has to be very good, communication has to be very good. Okay, modern technology plays an important role in process of large scale industry. Therefore, large scale industries are located near big cities. Whereas the large scale industry is located near big cities where modern technology is easily accessible. Now, there are many other things also. Technology is accessible, people are accessible, then lot of transport is accessible. That's why it is done in the big cities. All electronic goods including computers and television sets, cars, motorcycles, buses, and many other goods are manufactured in large scale industries. So these are the examples of large scale industries what are manufactured. Okay, children. The industry that produces technology using computers is referred to as information technology industry. Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and Gurgaon are IT hubs of India. Now, IT hubs of India is information technology, that means computer based. Okay. So you will find all these in these places you will find the information technology industries. Okay. So you can also underline this portion. The industries that produces technology using computers is referred to as information technology industries, and these are the places where you will find the IT hubs. The table given in the next page shows the major industry in their location in India. Now these are the locations of the major industries. Industry states: iron and steel Jharkhand, shipping building Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, automobile Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, sugar mills Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, silk industry Karnataka, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, cotton textile Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. There is a advantage and a disadvantage for the large scale industries also, children. Industrial pollution. Industrial development is very important for the growth of our economy. It contributes to our per capita income. It provides employment to a large number of people. These are all advantages. Economic of our country should grow. Income of our people also should grow, because a large number of people are also getting employed. But now the main thing is it adverse the environment very badly, but it also has some adverse effects. The disadvantage: it harms our environment in different ways. Now what are the ways? Let us see. Chemical waste dumped into rivers from factory leads to water pollution. People fall sick after drinking polluted water. Even aquatic life gets affected, and most of the creatures die or fall sick. Some smoke released from the chimneys of factories causes air pollution. Solid waste from factories that dump on open lands increase pollution. Okay, so these are the things how the air, water and land is getting polluted. This is the map of India, children, where you will find the things, where is the places where all kinds of things are there, the centers of the major industrial activities. Okay. So we have come to an end of this chapter. Let us sum up the chapter. It is Industries of India. There are three parts: large scale industries, small scale industries, cottage industries. What does large scale industries have? Iron and steel, shipping, buildings, automobile, sugar and cotton. In a large scale it is being produced. Small scale it is hosiery, ready-made garments, plastic goods, fans, toys and utensils. And cottage industries, hand embroidery sarees, bamboo crafts, pottery, food products and candles are made. So thank you, children. We come to an end of this chapter. Thank you so much. Take care, be safe and bye.